Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send the fax messages from your ZTE Axon 20. So at the start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. I'm always using EasyFax. Now allow a permission and click on this little plus. Choose the source for your document. I will pick something from a gallery, like this one, and click import. Also, you can also select more than one picture, of course. Now add this shape to the document and click arrow. Select the filter for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country here, and you can give us optional small note here. So if you want to send only this one, click on this big button. If you want to add more documents, click on this little plus and choose the source like before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.